How to fix Android phone overheating. So if you want to fix the Android phone overheating, then here are the 5 tips that you can use to stop your phone from overheating. So the first one is avoid direct sunlight on your phone. The easiest way to prevent the overheating is to keep your phone out of sun for extended periods. Your phone catches light and heat from the sun and retains it, getting hotter the longer it remains in sunlight and heat. And the second tip is to lower your screen brightness. Turning your screen brightness up will force your battery to work harder and create more heat. So lower your screen brightness and consider shortening the screen time out duration to keep your screen from being on for unnecessarily long periods of time. And the fourth tip is to turn off unused apps on your phone. Too many open apps running in the background cause your phone to work harder, which in turn causes it to heat up. The solution is super simple. On your Android, just go and tap on the menu icon, which will be on the bottom left. But if you don't have that, then you can just simply swipe left, and here you will have the unused apps, right? So you can just simply remove the unused apps and your problem might be fixed. And the fifth tip is to keep your apps up to date. Many app updates include bug fixes that can improve your mobile's device efficiency, meaning they'll use up less of your device energy. And if you want to cool your phone, just simply fan your phone or blow on it. Avoid the sudden changes in temperature. Take the case off, which might fix your problem. Or you can turn off your Bluetooth mode and you can turn on your airplane mode and your problems might be fixed. So that's how you can cool down your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.